everything has a beginning and an end. Life is just a cycle of starts and stops. There are ends that we desire and make them happen. A very good afternoon to all. On behalf of the chairman, Brigadier R.K. Singh, and Ms. Neena Mathur, Principal, Army Public School, Nehru Road, Lucknow, I welcome you all to the virtual closing ceremony of the Inter-School Social Science Fest Connect. The last 1.5 years have been difficult for all of us due to the pandemic. But it was the desire to make Connect happen that made us to expand our horizons and reach out to schools across the nation on a virtual platform. The last 3 days have been pure exhilaration and a learning experience for all of us. The overwhelming response from schools across the nation has been very rewarding and encouraging. 45 schools participated in this fest, which includes schools from as far as Port Blair and the far northeast. We now have a video message from Ms. Namita Mahajan, the Vice Principal, Army Public School, Nehru Road, Lucknow.
My greetings to one and all present. It is a great pleasure for me to address the August gathering present on the closing ceremony of the 6th season of the Inter-School Social Science Festival Connect. At the outset, let me congratulate each and every person associated with the fest for putting up such a remarkable show amongst the pandemic. I also feel proud to congratulate all the winners for their hard work and well-deserved success. I take this opportunity to applaud the entire team of teachers who motivated and trained these students to give their best. Connect, which started in 2011 with the aim to provide a platform for strengthening the bond of camaraderie among various schools of Lucknow, has been successful in making its presence felt at the national level too. It is indeed a matter of great pride that as a school celebrates its Ruby anniversary, 45 schools from across the nation connected with us through the virtual platform and brought alive the theme celebrating the 5 elements of nature, that is, earth, water, air, fire, and space. This is a key component with which we all need to connect in order to expand and harmonize our relationships with everything around us. This fest best portrays this connect with different schools from different cities, different competitions, different participants, but like the theme, they all have blended together. The 3-day fest saw the students representing their esteemed institutions pushing themselves ahead of their competitors and trying to be the numero uno in a fun-filled atmosphere. It was also heartening to see children with special needs vie for distinction in various events which were conducted based on their special needs. Being a part of such a competition gave them a sense of great pride and achievement and gave us immense joy and satisfaction. It would be fair to conclude that the entire event was a great success. So many people have contributed in so many ways to turn this event into a grand success. I am sure this fest has strengthened the connect between young minds and has brought out individual and collective talent in them. I conclude by quoting Henry Ford. Coming together is a beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success. Thank you.
Thank you for your inspiring words, ma'am. We now have the students of our school presenting a group dance, Nature Speaks. This dance comes with a very strong message of how we human beings are exploiting the nature's resources for our vested interests.
Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years. 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter. Or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other. Your actions will determine your fate. Not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. Are you?
It's high time we humans learned from our mistakes and mend our ways. Connect, the annual Social Science Fest of our school, gives an opportunity to the students to break new ground on the cultural front with ardor. It stands as an epitome of an undying spirit that raises cultural triumph to the zenith. We look forward to more fulfilling and successful seasons of Connect. Wishing you all a safe year ahead. Thank you.